Products include air duct LED lights, power cords, hoses, various grinding heads, and grinding handles. Remove the upper cover. When installing the air duct, it is recommended to open the air duct by 1/3 and turn it counterclockwise to align with the buckle. Insert the air duct LED power cable terminal into the main unit socket terminal. Fasten the top cover to the main unit. Change to the handle with the grinding head you need. Align arrows and insert handle lines. Connect the power cord. The air duct LED light port can be adjusted 360 degrees.